Law of Inertia. The inertia of a body is the property of the body by virtue of which it opposes the change in the position of the rest or of uniform motion of the body in the absence of external force. Inertia of a body is directly proportional to its mass. Any velocity once imparted to a body will be definitely maintained as long as there are no causes of acceleration or retardation, a condition which is approached only on horizontal planes where the forces of friction has been minimized. Let us take an example. In the case of a plane which is sloping downwards, there is already present a cause of acceleration. In the case of a plane which is sloping upwards, there is already present a cause of retardation. In the case of horizontal plane, there is a constant motion.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.